Enhancing the workload automation experience with Azure Batch plugin. Use Azure Batch to run large-scale parallel and high-performance computing batch jobs efficiently in Azure. Azure Batch creates and manages a pool of compute nodes, virtual machines, installs the applications you want to run, and schedules jobs to run on the nodes. There's no cluster or job scheduler software to install, manage, or scale. Instead, you use Batch APIs and tools, command line scripts, or the Azure portal to configure, manage, and monitor your jobs. Business scenario: financial fraud detection with speed and efficiency. Integrating workload automation and the Azure Batch plugin. Business overview: a financial institution is swamped with daily transaction data from millions of customers. This data needs to be processed quickly for fraud detection, but the algorithms involved are complex and require significant computing power. Business challenge: without Azure Batch, the company would need to handle all the tasks manually, which would involve heavy data processing with complex algorithms and require significant computational resources. Tech requirements: Azure account and an IAM user with necessary permissions. Data stored in supported Azure data sources. Solution: this challenge is tackled through a powerful combination: workload automation seamlessly integrated with Azure Batch. Here's how it works. Step 1. Orchestrated data flow and elastic processing power automated data preparation. Workload automation orchestrates the entire process. It triggers data uploads to Azure Blob Storage and deploys the fraud detection software to Azure virtual machines. Scalable processing power. Azure Batch automatically provisions a pool of virtual machines based on predefined parameters. Step 2. Data upload, pool creation, and distributed processing. Data and software upload. Workload automation instructs Azure Batch to upload the customer transaction data and the fraud detection software to Azure Storage. Automatic pool creation. Azure Batch automatically creates a pool of VMs based on predefined configurations. Distributed processing. Azure Batch distributes the customer transaction data across the virtual machine pool. Step 3. Distributed processing and centralized analysis for faster fraud detection. Independent processing. Each virtual machine in the pool works independently, analyzing its assigned portion of the data for fraudulent activity. Results aggregation. Once all VMs complete processing, workload automation gathers the individual results from each VM and aggregates them for analysis. Benefits of Azure Batch: reduced operational costs, increased scalability, faster fraud detection, improved efficiency. Conclusion of Azure Batch: by leveraging the powerful combination between workload automation and the Azure Batch plugin, the financial institution gains a significant advantage in the fight against fraud, ensuring the security of their customers' data and financial well-being. We invite you to visit our automation hub at www.yourautomationhub.io. Each plugin is accompanied by a detailed business scenario, helping you to understand its importance and how it can fit into your overall workload strategy. Automate more, automate better. Thanks for watching.